Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
Patty mukbang, but chill, just chill, man. Bro. What?
Before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We are back. I know you like it because I love it and you want to get back to the party then. We know that. Just come on, family, relax. We gonna get back to there. Go ahead, First Lady.
So I have a cola champagne.
Yes.
And what kind of drink you have, my love?
Pineapple one, the pineapple cola champagne.
Pineapple cola.
Yep. And this is also in our arsenal in our truck.
Yeah.
Oh, that's like, where you going? Don't go. Why you grabbing it?
You saw that, right?
It's moved. Don't do that. Why you grabbing it? I know.
I didn't know I had to watch them. Now we gotta watch them.
We gotta watch him. He was just, see?
Look at that.
See that? All right, all right now. Okay.
So I have a what is? I have jerk chicken patty. I have a spicy beef.
I got a veggie.
Veggie in the bottom.
Yeah. Jerk,
Curry.
curry and a jerk.
And a jerk. Okay. Now.
Now here where it gets better now. This is what we do with it.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna add cheese. And when you get your patty, when you get your patty, because it's coming soon.
It's coming soon.
Real
That's what I said,
soon.
chill,
Oops, sorry, honey, I had the knife.
Many people say I try cutting me by anything. Okay, you know
real soon. You just take a knife, a nice sharp knife, you know. You see how flaky it is?
Flaky's better is the crunch for us.
And then you just follow the path of it. And you see how it opens up and look how...
You gotta show them inside of that, because our party come with meat in there. Our party just don't come with just to cover up. Hold it, because I want it to drop. Look at that meat. Look at that meat.
Look at that.
Look at that meat.
Look at that.
All right.
Can
Just
it
chill.
get focused?
Yeah, it's focused right now.
And then...
That's a spicy one?
And a jerk. Chicken
Jerky
this
one,
one. And a jerk.
Mine that?
Seriously.
Let first lady take her time, because I'm going to do my thing. Put the cheese on the first lady.
Right
it's a cheese for me.
And you let it...
Alright, let me do mine. Which one should I...
And you can close it up.
Spectacular. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Alright.
What? That was fast.
This one is specially for Cece from Mother Like Daughter Eat. This is a veggie patty, okay?
A veggie one.
Alright, let me open it and let you can see. Alright? We do veggie here too. You know what I'm saying? First, you want to do the presentation for me because you cut nice.
No.
Because you always said that, but that's why the man say you want a spicy one like you. Yeah. I don't want to mess with the presentation, you know?
You love point knife. Make on your mind.
Knife pointer, man.
Listen, I'm going to start eating because this making sense. I wait for Richie because by the time I finish eating one, all three of them gone.
Yo, this hot. Wow. First lady, look at inside of that. Take a look, Cece. All vegetables, okay? We have those too. But you know what? Let me slap a cheese on it, please, First Lady. I slap a cheese on everything.
Everything. And this, it
Tell me
has
we got, First Lady. Tell me what we got in here.
bok choy, cabbage,
Yes.
carrot, peas,
Yes.
red pepper, green pepper.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna slap a... For the curry, I don't want no cheese in it. For the jerk, I want a cheese on
The
mine.
jerk, you have to have a cheese
Gotta
in
get
jerk.
cheese. Let me get cheese first, Lady, please. No cheese on it.
The
Let you
jerk?
enjoy your food.
The jerk, the spicy, and even the vegetable. That's how I say vegetable.
Yeah.
Vegetable.
Jerk, not y'all. We're not calling you a jerk. Jerk patty.
You can put cheese in there.
Yes.
Even the curry tastes good with cheese too, now.
Don't knock it till you try it. Everybody love these one with the cheese. Yes, with cheese, yeah.
And with cocoa bread.
All right. Let me dust this. See, they're taking your drinks.
This right here.
All right. Here you go. Oh my God, it's the cheese for me. Go see? Take it. All right. There we go. I gave y'all. All right. All right, Cece. I'm going to take the first bite for you. No matter of fact, you take the first bite. Here you go. Take it. Okay, there you go. All right. Oh, hot. Wow. Hot. They're still great.
Still great.
Yeah. I'm not gonna do it to them. Cause they ain't gonna figure it out. Forget it first. No, they won't remember that. No, they don't remember.
Messy, but it's good.
Best patty in our hood.
Ooh, the cheese. Oh my God, the cheese, man, the cheese.
Okay. You got me there.
I would try me. Try me today. No. Ooh.
So family, this, if you never tried it, it's a twist off, okay? It's a twist off. Can't twist it off, one? Strong one? Are you open here?
Yeah, I sure did. I'm a strong black woman.
Family, I just be it, that's why I'm slippery.
So weird. I mean, I just be it too.
Yeah, but my hand slippery when I put on lotion. Alright, twist off.
So I'm gonna put on lotion too?
Yes. Here. There we go. There we go. Look at the pineapple. Get some. Get some. There we go. I want to put it right there, make you can see it. It's going to fall first, lady? I know. Take it down.
Look like it is, baby. And leaning. It's lean with it. Rock with it. That's what it's doing. Good.
It is good, but you know the veggie is more spicy than the rest of them. I don't know why, but...
The veggie is spicy.
Please, cut it out. I hear y'all. I hear what y'all saying over there.
I know.
I hear them. They say, look at them.
Look at them. Look at them.
Look at Shanice and Richie. They know we want a patty and they can't get it. They know we want a patty and they can't get it. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming.
No, shut up.
Don't worry.
Family.
When we do the thing, we try and do it right. We got you all. That's all they saying, you know? They're not even paying attention to us. They don't want to hear. Today's the only day they don't want to hear us.
They're cursing us out.
They're cursing us out. Wow. You have too much meat. Let me take some.
Because it's hot.
I know. See, first lady got too much meat and it's hot. I don't want to burn first lady comes. Wow. You ain't playing.
It's everywhere. And the jerk chicken, all of them taste the way they are. I know. Listen. When you guys finally taste this, you're going to be like, wow.
They're mad. I know they are.
This would be...
I think everybody like this now.
The closest thing to eating with us. When you guys start buying these patties.
For real.
When we start having them out there.
No cap.
Yeah.
You're gonna see. They gonna get it. They gonna say yeah. They mean business.
It was a line.
And if your patty don't have flakes on it, that's not a patty. This is real patties, okay?
Patty. It shouldn't be softy. You understand?
Real thing. No. Counterfeit.
Counterfeit.
Greedy couple patty. Wow. Yeah.
Let's start whispering now because I'm gonna get mud.
No man, because they be listening to everything. Okay. Wow.
Oh.
Shit. Wow. Yeah, they drop all my meat for y'all. It's all good. I forgot you didn't know this here.
No, yes, sir.
Come.
And also,
Hot enough? I fell for this. That's a good call.
and in Jamaica, they add cheese to it.
It sure does.
But they add the Jamaican cheese.
More cheesier.
Oh my goodness. One day,
Yeah.
they sell Jamaican cheese in a can
Yeah.
at our local store. One day, when we eat patty again, I'm gonna get a... You bun your beard. I get it out. I'm gonna get a Jamaican cheese and put it in there.
And yes, you're asking, does it really taste like jerk chicken? Yes, it does. And they have the jerk chicken meat in there too. You could taste it.
And the curry chicken
And
one
the curry chicken tastes just like the curry chicken. And the veggie just straight veggie. And the mild is just mild. But it's spicy too. Have the pumpkin in. Look at my pocket. Now you know my pocket, my dude. Wow. It's just the flakes for me.
The last time, honey, let me see how good your memory is.
Who? Me?
Yours. When was the last time we had patty, or you had patty?
Me? On the video? Why don't you ask them? I know.
I'm asking you.
Yeah! I'm not eating that. You get your money back.
Oh, what that?
You remember that was the last time?
What is it?
Cornstarch. But I wanted them to go guess.
Why you gotta be so dramatic?
No, I wanted them to guess. I wanted to see if they pay attention.
They pay attention and they said stop telling them that they don't pay attention and they're getting mad.
Something like trick y'all. So if you never seen that cornstarch video, go check it out for our new subscribers.
That is funny.
The cornstarch video, go check it out. Where we try cornstarch. First they made me try cornstarch and I swear it tastes like chocolate or candy. Sorry.
Do you have a knife? Check too much money.
But yeah. For the new subscriber, if you've never seen that, go check out the cornstarch video.
Okay.
It was funny.
Very funny. So this one had some time to cool. It's still hot. But it has some time to cool. I'm gonna put cheese in this one too. Wow, look at our thing. It's so messy.
So I think I am patty man. I am already a greedy cup of patty. Alright. This is the curry chicken. Let me see now if I'm not putting no cheese in this one. I'm keep eating a gangster.
No.
I mean this one gangster family. See? I'll show them the little meat in here. Excuse me. I ain't gonna say it. Look, family, I'm gonna squeeze out the meat. There's a piece of chicken on the side, but
Is it focused? Yep. Good.
alright. I don't want me drop because last time they made my Jeep drop. They smell the curry too. Wow.
If I had cocoa bread with this,
Yeah.
I could only eat one patty. When we go out on the road with the food truck, oh boy, I have to make like about 5 or 6 extra because this guy right here, every minute he tell me it's his lunchtime.
Stop the lap on me.
Every minute Richard say, it's my lunchtime. Or if I get a tip, he's like, how much tip you get? Okay, that can buy a patty.
If she get a tip, she gotta buy me a patty out of that. First lady get a lot of tips. Yep. That's right. Give us the money. Thank you for your business. That's all I have to say. First lady get tips, so she have to buy me lunch.
I work hard for the money. So hard for the money.
Family.
I work hard for the money,
Yeah,
so
right?
you better treat me right.
You want me to tell the family what the man do that day when I drive with you and then he squeeze up something in your hand?
Go on, Tom. Like I said, I'm afraid.
Family, that's not from first. Family.
This from me? From me? Oh.
The man the stories I have. But yeah, when we drive in the truck, oh my god.
I'm gonna tell you, you scratch me or something. You laughing? Yeah, pay attention, but y'all look this way. And then they wash up the truck.
But the truck, yeah. I have no story because you don't see me, nobody will squeeze nothing on my hand when me there on the truck. Wow. That was awesome. It was good.
Very good.
Every time I go to the truck, I go when it's lunchtime.
So that basically all day.
Gotta come secure. I'm the security guard, son. I'm the security guard, family. I gotta make sure everything good. You feel me?
All day we should be like, it's lunchtime. It's lunchtime. As soon as we park the truck,
Yeah.
it's lunchtime.
I'm security guard, son. I'm the security guard the premises. Oh! Wow! It's delicious, but not that wow. I got the next one for y'all. Yeah, it is wow, I know. Here we got. Oh, I almost forgot. Family. First lady, here we go. Family, love all, trust few. Everything's real, but not everyone's true. You heard that? Again. Family, love all, trust few. Everything's real, but not everyone is true. Calm it down. There we know. These were the wisdom, yo. Huh?
The fake pasta at work.
That's our work by the party money. Work for my party. Here's the curry for me.
Ooh.
We ain't gonna keep it too long here today. You know, it's a quick one, you know? We just had to come do. You know? So you get our inventory. But please don't be mad at us. I'm begging you. Please take it. Don't be so mad at us. We're working.
We're working on it, family.
We are. We're working. If you just understand one little thing we're waiting for, and it haven't reached yet. We're working, family. Don't worry. And when you get it, you won't regret it. Damn, I be robbing, son.
That's what I'm saying.
Trust me.
Woo.
We appreciate y'all.
Wow.
Every single one of y'all. We shared with y'all. You got chit chat with us, as always, and we appreciate that. If you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. That's Shanice. This is Richie, aka First Lady. And they are
The Greedy family. How is it that we basically finished at the same time?
You did good to them, and they love party.
I love Patties. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye.